Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of BusyBusinessPromotions.com, and today I want to show you a little trick as to where to find out your indexed links are from your website. Okay, and this is requires no special tools or any kind of paid subscription or anything like that. I do not have an unstable network, in case anyone's wondering. That's a Zoom thing. But anyway, uh, this is my website, but I want to show you my oldest website, and that's inhomecomputerhelp.com. A lot of SEO people start out as computer people. Same frame of mind, I guess, problem solving. And anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my entire title. And there's two ways you can look at it. Now, first, open up either a guest browser or an incognito window, because neither of those know the history. So these three dots here on your screen, click on those, and then go to new incognito window. So I just copied and pasted this. All right, so I'm just going to Control V the title and press enter. And there's two ways I'm going to show you to do this. These are all the places that have links leading back to my website. And one of the more important things I want to show you guys is the fact that I have two YouTube videos right here on the first page of all this. And I think if I go, I think there's going to be even more YouTube videos here too. This is BitChute. That's another YouTube sharing, or not, sorry, not connected with YouTube. That's another video sharing site. And just take a look at all the YouTube videos here. So if you are not doing YouTube videos, you're really missing out, especially if you do a service. Let me try and get my face here. There you go. So especially if you do a service, because if people are going to ask you to do a service, to come to your home, or even to sell you something, whatever it is, I have an expertise in sales. So I'm going to tell you, people need to know you. They need to believe in your product, and they need to believe in your company for any kind of sale to take place whatsoever. And a video will do that. Okay, they get to see your face, blah, blah, blah. I recently picked up a senior citizen in-home computer tutoring client from a YouTube video. He didn't have any questions for me whatsoever, because he saw me, he saw the way I teach, he saw my face, saw my big smile. And anyway, do some YouTube videos and just take a look how many YouTube videos are showing up when I do this. And there's the sponsors. I don't know what's going to happen if I click on the third one here. Another YouTube video. Okay. So you are not wasting your time by doing YouTube videos, because there's an old saying, Google loves Google. So and those of you that don't know it, YouTube is owned by Google. So do these YouTube videos. Now, I promised you a second way to do this, and I believe I'm still copying and pasting here. So let's just delete that. Put a quotation mark after that, or put a quotation mark in front. Put your title in. Another quotation mark. I'm still in an incognito window, so there's no history. And we press enter. And I want to stay signed out. And now this is interesting right here. I am a dual certified teacher, and I do in-home tutoring, specializing in students with ADHD because I have ADHD. But what I want to show you is this video right here. By the way, that little trick here, I just right mouse clicked on that, and then I told it to open in a new link, and that way I wouldn't lose my spot. Okay, so this is a program I just finished reading. I just finished writing to gather all of these YouTube videos that I've done, and the program will allow me to put advertisements uh, in front of every video. So these are supposed to be tutoring videos, but if I do Control F and Control V, you see my ad right there. So these text style advertisements will also be picked up by Google. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and once again, let's look at all of these YouTube videos. And by the way, the quotation marks means that it has to search for that exact phrase. So feel free to use that trick. And in fact, in-home tutoring probably showed up here because I have Tablet Tutor. And just look at all of these videos. Take a look at every single one of these. I don't know what will happen if I click on this. Let's find out. Okay. Okay, about the same thing. So you get an idea now. So try those tricks and obviously consider going to Busy Business Promotions and hiring me to do all this stuff for you. But I did want to share that with you. It's a nice, simple trick, and get on YouTube. Okay, and then use that same video for other video sharing sites. It's not just a one-time thing. Make sure that you get good keywords in the title and good keywords in the description of the video, because that's what Google will search for. That's what Google found in the example that I showed you. So that's it. That's the whole thing I want to show you. So get a hold of me and have me give you a hand with everything. I'll take care of everything. Don't worry. And God bless you and best of luck to you in your business. Aloha.